Hi guys, hello, hi, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Susanita AP. Today you guys, today it's all about Primark review. So today I want to show you guys how I was able to achieve this look using Primark products. You know, a lot of people used to say, oh, Primark, it's not really their product is not the best. But lately I've begun to see people like talk about so much about Primark, and then I decided to give it a try. So let's go right into the tutorial. First, what I got is the Sosu Deluxe Synthetic Lash. So I must say this eyeshadow palette is really cute. It looks very nice. Wow. So I'll be taking from this one here. You guys, this is nice. I am loving this eyeshadow palette. Like, I am seriously loving this eyeshadow palette. Wow. When my friend first told me about Primark eyeshadow palette, I was like, you know what, just forget it. I don't trust Primark eyeshadows. Like, their makeup is something else. And she was like, yeah, these days they are really doing well. And I heard it from several girls. Like, so many people were talking about it. And also on YouTube, I've really seen a lot of videos where people do Primark review, and then okay, I decided let me also try. Honestly, I would say that this Primark eyeshadow palette, it's come on, look at it. Look at it. It's so soft, like Anyways, at the end of the day, when I complete the look, you guys will tell me what you think, because so now I'm just going to cut my crease. So I'm using this, this one is the Color Tattoo 24 Hours by Eye Studio. So this one, I got this one, I think I got it as a gift from a friend. I think so. I can't even remember, because I've had this one for like I've been using it for quite some time now, but it's something I don't really use that often, so it's been laying there. So sometimes, you know, when you just get some funny I just have to change the brush, because I don't understand this brush. Sometimes when you have to do your makeup, then that's when you start looking for your brush. And just, you know, just ignore the voice of the kids outside, because it's holidays and the kids, they are home, you know. You can't do anything about it. So I'm still going to go in the Primark eyeshadow palette, and then I'll be using this one here. Honestly, this is nice. Wow. I'm not done yet, but seriously, I am feeling the eyeshadow. You know, I was never a Primark believer. Like, I don't. But this eyeshadow palette, like, really, it's converting me already. This is nice. Like, wow. I am so shocked. Like, you know, when you don't believe in something, when you hear people talk about it over and over again and you still don't believe in it, and then you try and then you get like the shock, the bomb. This is what this eyeshadow palette is actually doing to me right now, because I am impressed. In short, I love it. For blending, I'm just going to take a very soft color. I'm going to take this one here. I'm going to take this one here to blend it. Goodness, you guys, look here. Just see how this is. Isn't this cute? To be honest, Primark, they really step up their game. Like, oh wow. Because I remember the last time I saw someone who was using Primark eyeshadow. It wasn't like, it didn't look good, and it also wasn't like this. But now I love it. So now I'm going to go in with the Master Precise liquid eyeliner. This one is from Maybelline, New York. I'm going to now I am going to apply my mascara. Like, I don't know, I'm just loving this eyes. Like, I am loving the eyes. I'm so surprised. If you've noticed, you'll notice in most of my videos I don't really have false lash on for some time. I just decide to go with my natural eyelash. But today I want to dare myself. You know, I just want to dare myself to fix the lash I got from Primark. So now I'm just going to go in with this 24 million Pauline long wear gel eyeliner. This is it. Fixing these lashes, it's no joke. Like, after over 14 months, I did not fix eyelash, and I did it. I did it. What do you guys think? Like, it's not as easy as I see people just do, like, tuck, and then it's done. For me, I almost gave up. Yeah, I'm just going to finish this face and I'll be right back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.